Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can decorate and organize your car. Now, decorating your car is as important as you decorate your home or room, as we live in the car for like almost a longer period of time, for 2 hours, 3 hours, depending on traveling you are doing. My brother travels a lot and he spends a lot of time in this car, so I thought why not to decorate and organize his car for him. Now, without wasting much time, let's just get right into the video. Also, I am decorating and organizing this car according to my brother's need and choices. Now, if you are a girl, you can definitely change the color theme you want. I am basically keeping it in black and yellowish kind of thing. You can go ahead and make the similar things and try all the things with pink or lilac color or anything you want basically. So yeah, I've blabbered a lot. Now let's start with the car decoration and organization. Let's start with some DIYs. So here I am making this cup holder kind of thing, and along with that I am also going to make a dream catcher. Now I have all the things I need in this bag and it is pretty much full. So yeah, let's start. Now in here, the first section, I am going to keep this microfiber cloth, which is really easy and convenient to use, and it cleans your car very nicely. It's really amazing. Now in here, you can keep either your water bottle or the thing that I'm showing you. I'm having this box which I've kept for keeping some loose coins or loose cash or gums, chewing gums or strepsils or whatever like that. So we kind of change the place of water bottle and this box whenever we want. So right now I'm going to keep this box over here. By the way, this is the box of Fast Track watch which we are just reusing over here. And also I think that this is the perfect space and the dimensions are also very much apt for this space. So yeah, I'm keeping this over here. Now you also keep this kind of water bottles over here. It's totally up to you. You can either keep the bottle or the box. Please, we usually keep our mobile phones over here, so I'm just going to keep it as it is. Now in here, the first thing that I'm keeping is this paper file that we got from Nexa only. I'm just going to keep that. Now the next thing that I'm keeping is some facial wipes. It really helps while you are traveling and you just got tired and stuff. This is really helpful to refresh you. That goes in. Now the next thing that I feel is really important nowadays especially are some face masks. So I have this packet that we got from somewhere, I don't really remember, but this is a paper bag. I have filled the paper bag with this lot of bunch of face masks. So I'm going to keep this over here. Now the next place that you can store your box, which I showed you earlier, the coin and stuff, you can keep that box over here. Pair of sunglasses. In here I am also going to keep this diary. This is my brother's diary only. It's his traveling diary. Like, he likes to jot down things when he is on a trip or something. So yeah, I'm going to keep this diary. And a pen with it. also I'm keeping this sanitizer over here. Now moving on to this section, I'm keeping this cup holder kind of thing which I DIY'd and I gave him some days ago to keep, so it's a bit dirty, but yeah, that's fine. So I'm going to keep this cup holders over here, and it looks so pretty. I really liked how this enhances the box. And I have this bean over here which is perfect for the size and everything. It just stays perfectly in here, and still we are left with this one section where we can keep bottle. So this is the storage section we have. In here only we have this charging cable. We actually don't charge our phones in our car, so we don't need any cable, but if you do, then you can keep one charging cable over here. Now I'm going to keep this one essentials kit over here. In this kit I'm just going to keep some essential things like shampoo, conditioner, extra soap, sunscreen, lip balm, basic things that he'll need if he plans to stay somewhere urgently and kind of things. So yeah, I'm keeping all these things in this kit, and one first aid kit over here with some perfume. So yeah, that's it for this section. This section where we can keep our sunglasses. Now this is not a sunglasses, it's a, what do we say, the part of sunglasses where you can attach this on your regular contact glasses. So yeah, that is it. You can keep it over here. I'm going to hang in this dream catcher, which is also a DIY. I have made this for him. Look how cute is this looking. I really loved it, how it is looking over here. Now with this I'm also going to hang this car freshener. This is from Campure. Now it comes with this elastic kind of thing to hang it on, so I'm just going to hang it. So I have hanged this air freshener over here, the car freshener, and along with it we have this dream catcher over here. So on the front passenger seat we have this airbag partition kind of thing which is used to block the sunlight as well, and it has this mirror over here. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to attach this tissue box, this one I got from Amazon, to this, so it will be really easy. It comes with these two hooks, so it's really easy and convenient. Wait, I'll just attach it and then show you. So basically it is attached like this, and whenever you flip this and then you flip this up, and tada, it has this opening to insert your tissues, and you can just take tissues from this. I have not done anything fancy for the back seats. I'm just keeping this fur cushions on it, like 2 cushions at the back seat. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and also you got some idea how to decor your car or organize your car. It was more of organization than a decor. I've just kept one or two pieces here and there for decor item. But yeah, this is definitely needed to your car. You definitely need to organize your car every now and then and update your car. And I really hope this video was useful to each and everyone out there, rather be a girl or a boy. You can definitely implement all the things in your car, and in whichever model of car you have, you can implement all of this in your car. Also, I really hope that you kind of inspired by this video and you organize your car as soon as possible. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.